him in a nice way. You talk to him right, let his party go on, you heard me? Hey, gotta know how to talk to people, man. Respect, gotta have it, dog.
It is what it is, baby. It's Chris T coming at you live, TNE TV. I'm letting you know this is all you gotta do. You gotta have a sober attitude. You gotta be polite to people. You be polite to people, they polite to you. That's how you get things accomplished around here. Yeah.
Hey, we out here, man. You know what I'm saying? Hear me, Reality Studios, Chris T, Deshawn, Dijon, Deshawn. It's your man right here, you heard me? Dizzy. Whatever the fuck you wanna call it. Baby, we out here in 10 August, you heard me?